Operation process of KM2500 sintering furnace. First, we put in the material to be sintered. The KM2500 sintering furnace can accommodate 2 layers of crucibles at the same time. Up to 80 pieces can be sintered at the same time. After placing the crucible, we click on the furnace bulb. Click the program settings and write a sintering program suitable for zirconia blocks. Click program settings. Click add program. Input program name. Rate sintering program. SP stands for temperature and T for time. Let's take Saint zirconia block an example. In the sintering curve of the Saint zirconia block, the temperature needs to be raised to 500 degrees centigrade in the first stage. The default starting temperature of the KM2500 is 50 degrees centigrade, and the heating rate is 7 degrees centigrade per minute, so the time required for the device to raise the temperature to 500 degrees centigrade is 500 to 50. 7 approximately equals 64 minutes. Here, SP1 is 50 and T1 is 64. The temperature needs to be raised to 1150 degrees centigrade in the second stage. Starting from the second stage, calculate based on the heating rate of the sintering curve. The heating rate here is 8 degrees centigrade per minute. The time required for the temperature to rise to 1150 degrees centigrade is 1150 to 500. 8 equals 81.5 minutes. SP2 is 500 and T2 is 81.5. The third stage requires maintaining the temperature for 30 minutes. SP3 is 1150 and T3 is 30. The fourth stage requires raising the temperature to 1300 degrees centigrade. The time required for the temperature to rise to 1300 degrees centigrade is 1300 to 1150. 2 equals 75 minutes. SP4 is 1150 and T4 is 75. The fifth stage requires raising the temperature to 1530 degrees centigrade. The time required for the temperature to rise to 1530 degrees centigrade is 153 or 1300. 4 equals 57.5 minutes. The SP5 is 1300 and the T5 is 57.5. The sixth stage requires maintaining the temperature for 120 minutes. SP6 is 1530 and T6 is 120. The seventh stage requires the temperature to drop to 800 degrees centigrade. The time required for the temperature to drop to 800 degrees centigrade is 1530 to 800. 8 equals 91.5 minutes. SP7 is 1530 and T7 is 91.5. Finally, add -30 at the end of the sintering program section to indicate that there is no automatic furnace temperature reduction program section. SP8 is 800 and 8 is 30. If there is an automatic furnace temperature reduction program section, add -28 at the end of the sintering program section. Now input the sintering temperature and time we have calculated. After editing is completed, click Return. Click More. Select the program we just wrote. Click Download. Click Return. Confirm the selection program. Click Start. The indicator light changes from orange to green. When the temperature reaches the set temperature of 800 degrees centigrade. When the equipment stops heating, the indicator light changes from green to orange. Furnace chamber automatically lowers when the temperature drops to 200 degrees. Sintering completed.